Public holiday Monday and the roster's paper thin. Rowan's off the FedEx load and now the fun begins. Boss is walking circuits with his clipboard to his chest. Half the crew is leaning and the other half you guessed.
Heave-ho!
Not that kind.
Heave-ho!
Never mind.
Heave-ho!
Grab the tape.
Heave-ho!
Make your escape. Time to lean, time to lean. Not the broom kind, if you know what I mean. When the low comes rolling in, that's when the real lean work begins. Time to lean, time to lean. Shadowboard the wall, boys, every tool and silhouette.
Wait!
Color tape the floor now while the machines ain't going yet.
Wait!
Standard work for every job, Kanban on the bin. Boss walks in and catches ya, just act like you're cleaning.
Heave-ho!
Caught mid-sword.
Heave-ho!
Last resort.
Heave-ho!
Wave your arms.
Heave-ho!
Sound the alarms. Time to lean, time to lean. Not the broom kind, if you know what I mean. When the low comes rolling in, that's when the real lean work begins. Time to lean, time to lean. See, the saying goes,
Time to lean,
time to lean, but we say,
time to lean.
time to lean. The methodology, Toyota would be proud. Probably. Toyota!
Toyota!
Boss sees you lean and say you're running a Kaizen. He won't know the difference between the method and the lays, and point at shadowboards and not say value stream with weight. He'll think you're a genius, boys, walk off and leave you gray.
Heave-ho!
Undercover,
Heave-ho!
blown your cover.
Heave-ho!
Say Kaizen,
Heave-ho!
he's amazing. Time to lean, not the broom kind, if you know what I mean. When the low comes rolling in, that's when the real